guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Savannah if you are new here. If not, then welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using only E.L.F products, specifically E.L.F's like dupes for other products. I went on E.L.F's website and I got all their new products that I haven't tried that I really wanted to try for you guys. Here's my box of goodies, and I asked you guys if y'all wanted me to do a full face using E.L.F or just like an E.L.F get ready with me trying the dupes and stuff, and you guys basically said that y'all wanted me to do a full face using E.L.F. So I don't have exactly everything for a full face, but I have pretty much everything that I will need. So I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything I've bought, and then we're gonna get into trying these products. So the first product that I picked up was this E.L.F Camo Cc Cream. I was thinking that this was probably going to be a dupe for that It Cosmetics CC Cream, so I'm really excited to try this out, see if I like it. I'm not the biggest fan of foundation, so that's why I like BB cream, CC creams, stuff like that, or just using like, you know, concealer to just cover up my spots, just because I feel like foundation is just a little bit too cakey. So I'm excited to try this little CC cream. I have tried the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I do really like it, but I haven't tried it in a really long time, so I don't really have like a good way to compare it, but still excited to try that. And then the next thing that I got is the E.L.F Brow Lift Clear. This is, I think, a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. So I got the little brow freeze from E.L.F, and I also got the little brush to go with it. The next thing I got was the E.L.F Power Grip Primer. So this is supposed to be a dupe for the Milk Hydro Grip, which I literally am like bone dry on. I have like none of it left, so I'm excited to have this one. I did try this once before because Julia had it and I really enjoyed it, so excited to try this one again. The next thing that I haven't really seen a lot of people talk about because I think it just came out, but the E.L.F Halo Glow Liquid Filter. I think this is supposed to be a dupe for the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury, but I did pick up this in, I think, the lightest shade they had. Yeah, shade 1 Fair, so really excited to see how these compare. The next thing I got was the E.L.F Hydrating Camo Concealer. I have already tried the matte Camo Concealer and I didn't like it. I ended up, I think, giving it away or throwing it away. I don't remember, but I don't have it anymore because it was too dry. I didn't really like the way it looked, and a lot of people said that they preferred the hydrating over the matte one, so I got the hydrating one to try. Then yesterday I actually went to Target and I picked this up because I didn't have a E.L.F setting powder, so I got the E.L.F Halo Glow setting powder in the pink one. I know a lot of people have been like adding blush under their eyes with their concealer and stuff to kind of help brighten it, so I thought this little pink powder would be nice to try to see if it like brightens up my eyes. And then lastly, I got two more brushes. I got this E.L.F Putty Blush brush, and then I also got Complexion Duo foundation and concealer brush, so it has the concealer and the foundation. And then E.L.F gave me a little free bite-sized lip balm to try, so we can try this as well. But that's everything I got. I'm so excited to just like play in makeup, test it out, see how I like everything, and I'm gonna give you guys a very honest review because I bought all of this with my money. I am not in no sort of like brand agreement to say good things, so I'm giving you the honest real deal spiel if I like these products or not. Also, don't mind my hair. I just kind of put it in a ponytail because I'm getting my hair done today at like 1:30. It's 11 now, so I just thought I would like do my makeup, get ready for my hair appointment, and then go to my hair appointment after. But first thing I do want to try is this little E.L.F stuff because I want to do my eyebrows first, so then that way I can just be done with those. I'm not going to put any product in them. I've actually really been liking that a lot more recently than actually putting like color in my brow. The little tool that comes with it just has like a little scraper side to pick up the product, and then it also has a little spoolie to like brush it in. I'm just gonna use just a little bit at first and just put that all over my brow. I have my mirror right here, so I need to get a new one, y'all. This one's broken. Like, look, it like doesn't even have the screw in it anymore. I've heard like good and reviews about it. Some people saying it is good, and then some people saying it like wears off throughout the day. So honestly, I think what I might do is like give you guys, I'm gonna try these products and then I'll film tonight and like let you guys know how like the face held up and stuff. Girl, this shit is like it's kind of hard to brush, so that means it's like really working, I guess. Also, if you hear Christian in the background, his friend's over right now, so bear with me. It is a house of two. This is the one thing I don't like though about like brushing your eyebrows out. Sometimes it gets like, I don't know if y'all could see how it was doing, but it like wouldn't brush up. Like, for example, like right here, it's not like brushing up very well. Oh my god, I kind of like this stuff. I feel like, I mean, I haven't tried the Anastasia one, so I can't really compare it to that, but I have tried the NYX Brow Glue, and girl, this is like laminated. Let me tell you, super laminated. And then like you could really just clean off the end of this and then go like that. shape your brow. I don't really like the super feathery look. Like, I like the feathery look, but I also want it to still, you know, have a brow shape to it. So that is what the brow is looking like. I mean, I really like this. We're gonna see how it like holds up throughout the day, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I always like one brow way more than the other. I just have one brow that looks so much better. Like, I think it's this brow. Let's see. It is really tacky. So like, I would say like move pretty quickly when you're brushing out your brow, because it is extremely tacky. But I mean, as it should. It's a brow freeze. See what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Look at this brow and then look at this. Excuse me. Look at this brow and then look at this brow. I know you see the difference. I know you see the difference. Okay, I think this is about as good as it's gonna get. This is what the brows are looking like so far. Like I said a million times, I do really like this stuff. So thumbs up for me as of right now. Now moving on, we're gonna do some primer. I've heard so many good things about this primer, and honestly, for it to have this many good reviews, way cheaper than this shit. Like, this was like, I think $30 something for this whole big bottle. I would personally just get the E.L.F one. I don't know, that's just me. But we're gonna try it again, see how tacky it is. Super tacky. Like, you can just feel it's super thick. So right off the bat, it is super sticky, just like the Hydro Grip. I love that primer. Like, I do really recommend, if you have the money to splurge on it, getting it, because I do love this primer. Like, it is probably my favorite primer I have, but it's just expensive. It has a really high price point, and not everybody wants to pay for that, right? So this is 100% a great dupe, y'all. Like, it feels the exact same, way better price point for an amazing quality product. Like, it's super tacky, super sticky. I didn't use too much of it, but it gives the exact same feeling that the Hydro Grip from Milk does. So definitely a really good dupe. E.L.F did a number, and I feel like E.L.F has been duping so many products recently, so I'm excited to see like what else they come out with, because I love E.L.F. I've always been an E.L.F girl. I love E.L.F. So now we're gonna move on to trying this Halo Glow. This was originally kind of what sparked the idea of this, because I saw this and like an ad popped up for it. I was like, oh my god, I need to try that. So this is the literal whole product that like sparked this idea. I was thinking like, should I have just opened this stuff off of camera? But no, I shouldn't have, because y'all see that this is like literally my first time trying this. But oh my god, does look a little bit dark, so I'm a little scared, because this is like the lightest shade they had, and I'm like, bitch, I'm too pale for this. Like, this is the lightest shade, but we're gonna give it a go. We're gonna see how we like it. I think I'm gonna use the foundation brush, but let's go ahead and blend this in, see how we feel about it. I really honestly want to get rid of all my brushes and just get all E.L.F brushes, because these brushes are like really nice. Right off the bat, I can tell you that it is not the same glowiness as the Hollywood Flawless filter. I feel like the Hollywood Flawless filter, immediately when you put it on, it just gives you this immediate glow, whereas this one, honestly, I don't feel like it's giving that same glow. I mean, it does give it a glow, but I think that the Charlotte Tilbury one is a little bit more glowy, but it blended in honestly pretty nicely. It's not too dark to where it doesn't blend in. It's all right. It is a big ass bottle though. Like, this is a huge, and the doe foot application on it is really big. Super big. I think I just need to try this a few more times, but now I'm gonna go in with this CC Cream. I'm really excited for this, the Camo Concealer, because like I said, I tried the matte one and I did not like it. Like, I really didn't like it. It left it really creasy, not the vibe. So I'm gonna see if that one's better, but I don't know what I should put this on with. I'm just gonna use a little brush like this. I've had an extremely productive day today. I actually am filming a day in my life, so depending on if that video is up or not, I will like pop a picture of like the thumbnail, but if not, then just stay tuned for it, because I am filming a vlog. I'm getting my hair done today. I went to the gym, etc. So it's gonna be a very productive little vlog. I'm also curious to see how this holds up throughout the day, because like I said, I don't like really putting foundation on like this anymore. I kind of moved to just doing like my cream contour first, then my concealer, then my blush, and then like spot concealing anywhere else that I have like blemishes and stuff. So I never really do a full base anymore like this. So I'm curious to see how it'll hold up throughout the day. It's also extremely hot, 94 degrees right now, but it's supposed to be, it's gonna get up to like 103 degrees today. I should be getting out of my appointment right when it's like 103 degrees. So this will really test if it like holds up. I feel like I should have shaved my face, because I hate the little like peach fuzz. It makes your makeup lay so weird. Really, shaving your face helps helps so much with like the smoothness of your makeup. If you've ever struggled with like your skin just looking super textured with your makeup on, try shaving your face. And don't be scared, oh my god, is it gonna make my hair grow back darker? Da, 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 da. I've been shaving my face for so long and my mustache hairs grow back the same every time. My face hairs grow back the same every time. I mean, maybe they got a little bit darker over time, but for the main part, I'm consistently shaving my face, so like, you know. And then I have this little E.L.F beauty blender. E.L.F beauty blenders are so good. This one comes in a pack of 2, so I have 2 of these little pink purplish ones. But I'm just gonna take this beauty blender and just kind of like pat the CC cream in. I mean, honestly, it looks pretty good on skin. I would say like the brush was making it look a little bit weird, so I would probably just like pat it in with the beauty blender. I feel like sometimes using a beauty blender can like take away from the product, soak up too much of the product, so that's why I kind of like going in with a brush more so now. I do like it so far. It does feel pretty lightweight. It doesn't feel super cakey on the skin. Like, you know, when you put some foundation on or something, you could just feel it on your skin. I will say I don't really feel like I have too much makeup on. I definitely feel that I have makeup on, but it's not like overly cakey feeling either. Real test is gonna be, you know, to see how this makeup holds up. Now I'm gonna go in with the concealer. I got, in my CC cream, I got the shade Fair 120 in, and then my concealer, I got the shade Fair Rose. I'm gonna try starting to use more like pinky undertone stuff because I feel like it might look a little bit better on my complexion. I feel like it's so hard with makeup to find your right undertone. This one has a pink undertone to it, so we're gonna see if this works better. And I'm also excited for this powder because it's pink as well. I'm gonna try the end of this brush. I need like a smaller beauty blender though, because I really don't like using my big beauty blender underneath my eyes. That's why I got the Ego Tools one originally, because it was like squared off at the end, so I felt like it like blended a little bit better underneath my eyes. It still is so big. I need like one of those little micro beauty blenders. Does anybody else have like the worst inner corners? My inner corners are so dark and veiny that if I don't cover them up, and I used to not, but like now I'm like I have to, because without covering them up it just looks not good. All right, I really like that. I feel like I'm looking very much pale though. I'm looking super ghosty. I'm just gonna use this NYX Cream Contour because I don't have an E.L.F cream contour, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of this NYX one. I do, however, have an E.L.F stippling brush, so I'm gonna use that brush to blend this out. I'm so excited to get my hair done today. I'm going to Haley at Boss Salons. I'll put her Instagram up, but I'm going to Miss Haley, and she's gonna be giving me a full head of highlights, y'all. I'm gonna be blonde again. I have not gotten like a full head of highlights in so long. Like I've gotten highlights probably like, no. The last time I got my hair done was for my birthday. I'm like pretty positive. So it's been well over, like it's been half a year basically. So yeah, it's gonna be a big change and I'm really nervous because honestly, I don't know if I want to be that blonde again. Like, I don't know. I was like, maybe should I just like go natural and like just dye my hair my natural color? I mean, this is my natural color. So like, should I just blend it out and just dye it all the same color? I don't know. I'm getting highlights today, so we'll see. Now we're gonna try the little powder. This is the E.L.F Halo Glow setting powder in the pink shade. I'm gonna take my beauty blender just to press this in. So far, y'all, I have zero creasing. Like zero creasing. Y'all see that? Like there's literally no creasing at all underneath my eyes. So that's pretty good. Usually all my concealers do that. I think this is going to be like my new favorite product, this powder, because I feel like no matter what, it's just gonna do so much for like brightening my under eyes because of the pink undertone. I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face just using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Oh my god, I just sometimes hate the way makeup feels on your face. So that is all of the products. I've tried everything that I bought today besides just the putty blush brush, but now I'm gonna go in and finish the rest of my makeup. I will show you guys the finished look, and then I will come back after the day goes by and let you guys know how the makeup held up. So here's the finished look. I just have to do my lips, but this is what it's looking like. I do have a smoothing filter effect on this camera, so you can't really see everything completely, but hopefully if I get close enough, you can like really see just like all the details and stuff. But I'll hop back on whenever I go through like the day. It's going to be a hot day, so we will really be putting this makeup to the test. So guys, I want to update you on my makeup and how it's like held onto my face, because me and Christian are about to go like hang out, and I know I'm not going to want to do this after we're done, so I'm just going to do it now. But basically, y'all, it really did, it's separated. It honestly doesn't look that great. I'm going to show you guys my chin if I can get this to focus. Okay, so I didn't get to finish that last clip because I was in a hurry, but tonight I did the exact same like makeup. I used all the E.L.F product except for I didn't use the CC cream, and I liked it a lot better. I mean, obviously I wasn't in the heat, so I didn't get to like heat test it, see how it would last through like those conditions, but tonight we went bowling, we were active, and it just stayed really well. My face still looks really flawless, and I've had it on for a couple hours now and it still looks really good. So I do really like these products. I think just the CC cream isn't the best. I think that's what made me like not really like it. But the other day when I did it, like when I filmed this video when I did it, my makeup like immediately when I left the house, like my chin, it had so much separation and just like it just didn't do it. So yeah, I just didn't really like it that day, but I think without the CC cream it did way better. So definitely 10 out of 10. Recommend everything probably but the CC cream. But yeah, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below to join my family, and head to my link tree in the description box to follow me on all my other platforms. But with all that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.